Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickUp docs and wikis for knowledge management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to create docs and wikis. Locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Click on the Docs option in the sidebar. If this is your first time using ClickUp Docs, you may see a prompt to create a new document. Select Create Doc to start a new document. Enter a title for your document that reflects its content. In the document editor, you'll notice various formatting options at the top. Utilize these tools to format your text, add headings, lists, and links as needed. To insert images or other media, click on the Insert menu and choose the appropriate option. Once you're satisfied with your content, consider organizing it within folders. To create a folder, click on the New Folder button in the Docs view. Name your folder and arrange your documents within it for better organization. If you're working in a team, you can invite members to collaborate on your docs. To do this, click on the Share button located at the top of the document. You can then add team members' email addresses to grant them access. To create a wiki, follow a similar process by creating a new document dedicated to your wiki. Utilize links to connect related documents within your wiki for easy navigation. Encourage team collaboration by setting permissions on each document. You can choose whether to allow view, comment, or edit permissions for your team members. Regularly update your wiki and docs to ensure that the information remains relevant. Use the search function in ClickUp to quickly find specific documents or wiki entries. Make use of templates if you need to create standard documents for repeated use. ClickUp provides several pre-made templates that can be customized to fit your needs. Leverage the comments feature to discuss changes or suggestions with your team directly in the document. Create a culture of knowledge sharing within your team using ClickUp docs and wikis. Lastly, familiarize yourself with ClickUp's Help Center for advanced features and troubleshooting. By following these steps, you can effectively set up ClickUp docs and wikis for efficient knowledge management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.